This is WMU, the freshman girls dorm. There's actually 2 of them, but this is the one you would probably get into. Both of them are really awesome, and this is what it looks like from the outside. Right now we're in WMU, the freshman girls dorm, and we have someone who's going to show us. Hello, come on in. Thank you. Wow, this is pretty.
Why, thank you.
This is where you sleep, on the right?
This is where I sleep, yes.
Okay, well, tell me, okay, you're a freshman, yeah?
I am.
What are you studying?
I'm studying communications. My name is Lily Huff, and I have no minor.
Okay, cool. Tell me a little bit about what you have in your room.
Okay, so I have this bedspread. I don't have a lot of pillows because I find them a little necessary. I'm a minimalist, so I've got a printer, got my speaker, some snacks, which are always necessary. They're super healthy, as you can tell. And then we got some pictures going on.
Cute.
My mugs.
Love that. I like this little station thing. I feel like that's super useful. And then each room comes with a sink and a mirror, and then usually one girl will take the closet, like this is yours, right?
Right.
And then her roommate takes the wardrobe, and then there's drawers for each girl.
Yeah.
Right.
This is AG room 205.
Awesome. Okay, what all do you have in your room?
Well, the new furniture worked out really well for me because I got the TV on the desk. It's like a TV stand.
Cinematic masterpiece.
Yes. I got a fridge and a freezer.
Why do you need a freezer? Do you feel like you really need that?
I just had a freezer in my house and I was like, might as well, they stack. So I brought a freezer. Got my portable grill for my ministry that we do on Thursdays. And I got Jake's one wheel. That's a fun thing. This is my bed, and a friend of mine painted that for me.
Cool. I like this lamp shelf thing.
Yeah, I found that at Walmart. So
awesome. Tell me about RAs in AG and what it's like to be on the same hall as them.
Yeah, so the RAs in AG are awesome. They're all really fun, and
I'm sorry, the tiny voices just kill me.
For my hall, I have Heath, which he is the best RA.
He is a really cool guy.
Cool. He's also the head RA, so that's really cool. He's got a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge about OBU. The RAs in AG are really good at doing hall events too.
Okay, so what kind of stuff would that be?
Well, we go out to B-dubs or Shanifa.
Okay.
Might go bowling.
Bowling. That's really cool. So you know the guys in your hall pretty well?
Yes, we definitely know the guys in the hall very well. Everyone knows each other really well.
Oh, that's so nice.
I know everyone's name on this hall, so.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
What would you say are some dorm room essentials?
Some dorm room essentials. Well, I would definitely have a purifier, something I didn't think I'd need. But they have water fountains, but sometimes you don't want to leave your room. So it's nice to keep it on hand. But if you don't have one, it's fine. But I would say it's a necessity.
Do you think that you should have a fridge, or should you you should probably text who's going to be your roommate?
Yes.
And figure it out, right? Is that what you did?
I did, actually, because my roommate had a fridge from her brother who went to college. And so I just texted her and she said, hey, I'll bring the fridge, and we just share that.
Okay.
But I do know 2 girls who both brought their own fridge, and they both have plenty of space in their room, so.
Okay, cool. Did you do potluck?
I did potluck.
What is potluck?
Potluck is where you pick a random roommate, and the school picks her for you. Or, yes, it's WMU.
There's no co-ed dorms at OBU, by the way. It's girls' dorms and guys' dorms.
Which is really nice, because you can kind of relax a little bit. That's actually really accurate, because the showers and getting
down the hallway, so.
It's really, really nice. But my roommate is from Lone Grove, and I'm actually from Oklahoma City, so I met her on enrollment day and just text her a little bit and get along great.
Okay. Back to the room essentials. What else would you think you would add?
I would add, if you love if you love drinking tea, bring a
hot water boiler.
Yeah. Or if you love coffee, bring a coffee pot, because sometimes you don't want to walk all the way to the caf.
What is that? She's got some espresso maker.
Oh yeah, she has her own espresso. I bring a lamp and a mirror, because there's only one mirror in the room. So, girls, you might need more than one.
For
Like,
2 people, yeah.
Yeah, so I have
That makes
this.
sense.
It's huge.
Oh, hello.
But yeah. And then maybe a printer.
Oh, that looks super essential too.
Oh, this is the best thing I've ever bought in my life. It's a movable one. It's like it bends. So like if I wanted to
Where'd
wrap
you get it?
I got it at Target and it wraps around. But I think they have them at Staples too. And so they called it like the
That's
caterpillar.
actually so great. Now I'd never even seen one like that. Now I need one.
It's so nice, and it has a lot of plugs. Maybe bring like 2 of them, so like I have an extension cord plugged into my extension cord. Because there's only 2 outlets.
Gotcha.
So,
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Yeah.